Okay, so in this video we're going to look at Support Vector Machine Regression in Scikit-learn. We're going to look at the operation of a support vector machine algorithm, look at an example problem, look at data preparation and processing, implement support vector machine regression, and improve performance with hyperparameter fitting. So we're going to look at the operation of the support vector machine regression algorithm. We want to understand the principle of operation behind support vector machine regression. So what does it do? It takes a set of labeled input points in a variable space and it fits the trends in that data with a linear or nonlinear function. We also measure the point to function distance after this step. We then transform this linear or nonlinear function to maximize the point to function distances. We take a set of labeled input points in a variable space. In this case, variable 2 is the labels and variable 1 is the input. Okay, so we fit a line and we say any points which fall within this distance from the line we're going to assign no error to. Points outside of these boundaries, we measure the distance to the boundaries and use that as the error. Then the algorithm will transform the data to find the minimum error by pushing points inside these bands and minimizing the distance of outside points. So support vector regression fits a relationship to data rather than separating. Okay, so hopefully we've understood the principle of operation behind support vector machine regression.